Welcome back to my channel, Magical Maths with Chiranya. Today we are going to learn rounding of 10 to 10. Means some people don't know the round table. So first I speak the 10 table and then we start our video. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90 and 10 tens are 100. So our first example is in rounding of up to 10 is 145. So first I write the example, then I explain. A and B. So now we have to start with left side, means tens, means ones. So we have to cut the 5 and write here 0. Here we have to add 1, means 5, and 8 adding plus 5. We have to add 1 here, so that is 5 and this one as it is, okay. So its answer is 150. Now we have to do the second answer, means question. First I write the question, then I explain it again. So I explained you first time, but I explain this time also. We have to cut 3 and write here 0. 2 minutes guys, I have to take this because it is 6, I think. Now 6 plus 1 is 7 and it is that. So like its answer is 170. I do here line and write A answer and B answer. Says I have to place this and be right because so you all like my video, do like, do share, do comment and do subscribe. Bye bye.